So if maybe you've done a cam out on your car, on your 1UZ, and you've still got some noises, sometimes it's these fellas. You like this one? That's lovely. So we've just been doing a cam out job on another engine. This one's next on the list, but it's got noisy bearings. So I'm going to show you how to change these bearings in a simple way at home with your vise and a couple of sockets. So there's the motor that we're doing this job on, and I have done a full cam out video on that if you're interested in looking at that on a Series 2 engine. So here's our bearings. So this one on the tensioner idler bearing, it is a 6203. So a 6203 is that one. The other one in the top idler is a 6301. So normally available at the bearing shops at a not too expensive price. So when you do these, you don't want to press on the outside of the bearing because they do bend. So support the whole lot in the vise while some prick behind you hits stuff with the hammer. And once you get them moving, they come out pretty easy. And I use the old bearing to start them off. Make sure they go in nice and square. And don't press the old bearing into the hole. So just check that's all the way home. That one's good. We'll move on to the next one. So with the second one, I have made sure it sits in the groove of the pulley. And it's only the very first bit that's hard to get it moving. Here it goes. So that's that one. And goes the second one. And here we have it. 2 bearings, pressed in, simple as, ready to complete the cam out job.